guys, it's Catherine, and today, before I do my unboxing, which is of the Villabeautifful February Me Time kit, I just want to show you what I'm doing here on the front. It always kind of struck me as wasteful that when I was making my own inserts, I like Annie plans, Mommy Lay does some, I like to make my own. You know, there's a lot of waste with the paper, especially because I use a pocket size. So what I've started doing is just kind of trimming down the extra pieces, and I keep them over here on my desk, and quite frankly, I'm loving them for just general notes, like scratch paper. I use a thick enough paper. This is 32 pound by Hammermill that you really can't see through it, so it's great for covering your address on the unboxings. And I am going to do a video on ways to actually use these in your planner and make them fancy. So if I can get a spare moment to film that, because there's setup involved, I will get that tutorial up. All right, so let's jump in. First of all, I kind of love that they do this. Not every company does, and obviously the USPS does not always care. At least my postman doesn't. But I do appreciate that they're actually putting that on there. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to take the invoice out and let's just spill it all out. Okay. The one thing that I am super excited about, which I know a lot of people probably are because this is kind of the thing with so many of us, is the pen. And there's like some fuzzy bits in there. Okay, this one's really pretty. Can you see the engraving on there? And again, guys, I am so sorry about like just the state of my hands. I need to stop biting. Ugh. Okay, so that's the pen. It is a gel pen. I do want to point something out, however. I had one from her, my first one ever, really skipped very badly. I'm going through my drawers here trying to find it. All right, you may have seen these on AliExpress. I have literally gone to every store I could think of, every like online website, you name it, trying to find an ink refill that would fit. This one is an exact fit. So it comes in a million colors. It actually writes really nicely, and you can get a pack of like 12 for $2. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait a while on it, but totally worth it. And if you're a bit impatient, oftentimes you can find things like that on Amazon. So sorry if that's shaking the desk, but worth showing. So, and yes, I have had problems with the ink skipping in these, so I replaced them right away. These are the sticky notes, which I am in love with. I am a big sticky note fanatic. I use them constantly. I use them to decorate my planner in different ways, and these are super cute. Every sticky note she's done has been really cute, but also functional, which is super important, because if you can't write on it, then what's the point, right? And these, okay, if you guys are familiar with Cocoa Daisy, they send it as like an activity where it's basically these stickers. You could fold them in half yourself over the paper clip. It's like a foamy material. So if you're familiar with puffy stickers, you're familiar with what these feel like. These are bigger than the Cocoa Daisy ones, though. I'm gonna put them at, I'm gonna say they're double the size. Okay, I'm loving this. These are like popping up everywhere. They're like kind of faux fruitsy, whatever, charms. And I like how this was on there. However, this had a lot of room for error. This could have like gotten caught up on that because it's quite sticky, but I got lucky and it didn't. I love this. It's super cute, and you could use this on any size planner, really. If you have a pocket size, you could use it on the elastic in front. If you had a bigger one, you could use it on the side. And you could probably even make that work on like a zipper in a ring bound. Okay, these are the washi tapes. This is a checked one with silver foil, and then these are just lashes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I know that this is like a thing and it's super popular. I'm not into the design, but I'm loving this because you can do a lot with basics. Let's take the papers out, and we'll save all the cards and stuff for at the end, because there's a lot of little pieces in there. Okay. Just kind of abstract, if that's your thing. You're golden. And I kind of liked that she offers 4 double-sided papers. Now it is, don't get me wrong, it's nice when these are both vellum. When you can get the like 6 sheets of paper, a lot of companies will give 2 of each piece, but honestly I'd kind of rather get 4 different pieces and then just use them however. And last month's kit actually included the digital artwork. It was exact copies of the papers that were in the kit, so that was great. I do not know what's going to happen this month though, because apparently someone decided it would be a really good idea to sell the digital artwork and claim it was their own. So not cool. I love the backer card. You can totally use that. Yeah, and I feel like it kind of ruins it for everyone. So I don't know. I have not received the link for the digital file yet, so we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. All right, this is a journaling card. Love it. Just plain on the back. I like her journaling cards. These ones, okay. I have really been liking her stickers. I don't know, like I get like the regular kit, whatever the standard one is. This one isn't like specific to a type of planner. I like these smaller ones because, and I'm gonna end up shaking the desk here guys, I'm sorry. Grab one of these dollar spot pockets. Of course now it won't fit, but last month's did, no problem. Oh, of course, that's the rule, right? I go to show it and then it doesn't fit. But you could trim those down. It doesn't look like they were trimmed evenly. You could trim those down. They fit well in these pockets. So I have last month's, of course I don't have it with me, in there. And I loved it because I don't normally take stickers with me when I go out. And I don't love that because I have a kid, and if I have a second to plan, I want to do it. I mean, that's so super cute, right? I hope that like some of these are included in the digital files. I really don't know what's going to be in there, but I'm excited. And I like just the plainer cup. I do a lot of coffee cup stickers, but I really like just the basic one. All right. Oh, okay. I'm being a dope. Then there's the full box stickers and some functional ones. Last month she included one that was like a double box that I really liked, and you know, I don't really think that there are 2 that I could do that with in this. Like I don't think I could put any of them together, but still super cute. I love that like the iPad is what you would write on, and these are really cute. And I feel like it's easier to use a full box and any kind of planner when it's just a single box, but I'm really getting into the double full boxes. All right, so that is everything, and I hope you guys liked this video. I'm sure it was way too chatty, but if you did like it anyway, despite that, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and and subscribe to see more, and hopefully I will be doing better in the next video. All right, bye guys.